Bienvenidos a Tiempo de Cuentos, amigos. Welcome to Bilingual Storytime. And because it's the month of March, we are discovering music. Yay! And so today we have such a fun rain stick story time. But before we begin, we need to do our hello song. And it's to the tune of In and Out the Window. Ready? Reach up and shout, hooray! Reach up and shout, hooray! Reach up and shout, hooray! It's story time today! And now in Spanish, do you guys remember it? Las manos hacia arriba, las manos hacia abajo, brincamos todo el día en la fiesta de cuentos. Yay! Bravo, amigos! And remember, special grown-ups, check out Orem Library /storytime. There's a brand new podcast and awesome activities that you can do at home and also a take-home story time. So check it out. And now we need to make a rain stick. So go run and get your special grown-up for this part. Push pause. Boop. Okay, so for a rain stick, we're gonna learn 2 different ways to do it. We are going to first do it the simple way. We are going to need one of these tubes, paper towel tubes, and aluminum foil, and some paper or things, just stuff you want to decorate the rain stick with, and then some beans, rice, different shapes of pasta. I chose to use these elbow macaronis or coditos and these swirly pasta things, rice and black beans. Okay, so first, to begin, we need to get some aluminum foil, like this. And then you have to fold it like so. Ya cuando lo tienes doblado así, once you have it like this, you're gonna want to get a long a spatula and just use the handle to twist it around, like so. Just like that. And then when you slide it off, it should be like this. And you're gonna make a couple of those. So get another aluminum foil, and then fold it again and repeat that same process. Okay, once you have those aluminum foils twisted, you are going to need some tape. And I am choosing to use heavy-duty duct tape to cover the ends of the paper towel roll. And once you have one end covered, you are going to stick in the aluminum foil rolls, just like that. Ta-da! And then once you do that, you're going to get some of the macaroni pastas and put them in. And rice, and some beans. And once you have that, you can experiment. Can you guys hear that? And if you like how that sounds, if you want to add more, you can add more. If you want to take some out, you can take some out. But I like how mine sounds, so I'm going to seal it up. And once you seal it up, you can decorate it however you want. And I'm going to choose to decorate it with a pink paper and some purple paint. Ta-da! Y ahora tengo mi palo de lluvia. Now I have my first rain stick. Can you guys hear that? Nice. And now the next way that we can make a rain stick is with an adult's help. So you can ask your special grown-up to help you. And I just went to a hardware store and grabbed one of these tube things and some nails. And the idea is to hammer in the nails in a spiral way so that the insides look like that. I don't know if you guys can see that. And I already started putting some nails in here, but I have to finish putting nails in. You need to get a hammer. And with adult supervision and an adult helping you, you can hammer in the nails. Once you have all of your nails in that you're going to put on, you have to seal one of these. And I'm going to seal it with duct tape. And once you have that sealed, you can start adding in the coditos, or the macaronis, the beans, and the rice. Okay, now we're going to test it out. Okay, then you have to seal off the other end. Y ahora tenemos nuestro palo de lluvia. Okay, ahora sí estamos listos para nuestro tiempo de cuentos. We are now ready for our story time with our rain stick. Now that we have our rain stick already made, we are ready for our story time. And it is, May I Come In? Puedo pasar? And Sleeping Bear Press gave us permission to read this book. So thank you, Sleeping Bear Press. And this book is written by Marsha, Diane, Arnold, and illustrated by Jenny Poe. Okay, friends, so throughout the book, you are going to hear thunder and rain. And whenever you hear that, you're going to use your rain stick. You're going to turn it upside down and around. You guys are going to help me tell the story with your rain stick. Okay. May I come in? Puedo pasar? Here's your part, friends. Rain poured. Mapache shivered. Oy. Thunder roared. Mapache quivered. Lightning flashed. Mapache hid his head under his arms. Being alone on a night like tonight. Oh, me da miedo. It's scary. Raccoon Mapache grabbed his umbrella and hurried out the door. Splish, 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 splish. Mapache splashed through the thistle hollow all the way to Sarigüeya's den. Sarigüeya, amigo. Possum, old friend. ¿Puedo pasar? May I come in? Mapache shouted over the thunder. Oh, qué mala suerte. What bad luck. Sarigüeya respondió. Possum replied, my den's too small for one your size. Uh-oh. Oh no, friends, hurry! Swish, 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 swish. Mapache splashed through the thistle hollow all the way to Cordonice's brambles. Quail, old friend, Cordonice, mi amigo, ¿puedo pasar? May I come in? Oh, qué mala suerte, what bad luck. Respondió Cordonice. Quail replied, my brambles are light, you're too wide. Okay, friends, again. Swish, splash, swish, splash, swish, splash. Mapache splashed through the thistle hollow all the way to Marmota's hole. Marmota, mi amigo, woodchuck, old friend, ¿puedo pasar? May I come in? Oh, qué mala suerte, what bad luck, Woodchuck replied. I've only room for one to hide. Ay, pobrecito Mapache. Poor raccoon, what is he gonna do? Raccoon raccoon stood shaking in the rain. His umbrella blew inside out. His fur felt wet and spongy. He sniffled as he thought of spending the night all alone. Estaba solito. On the edge of Thistle Hollow, beyond the rain and darkness, he saw a teeny light glimmering and shimmering. Okay, friends, look at the pictures. Can you guess whose house that is? Can you see it? Make a prediction. Hurry, friends! Splish, 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 splish. Oh no, the storm is getting louder and harder. Move your race stick harder and louder. Splish, 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 splish. Oh no. Ay, conejo, mi amigo, rabbit, old friend. Llamó Mapache. ¿Puedo pasar? May I come in? Conejo abrió la puerta. Behind her, 10 little rabbits hopped and bopped to the raindrops. Olvídalo, conejo, dijo Mapache. Tu casa está llena. Never mind, rabbit, said Raccoon, backing away. Your house is full. What good luck, qué suerte, dijo Conejo. Come right in. There's always room for a good friend. Conejo led Mapache to a cozy chair, and 10 little rabbits hopped and bopped. Los conejitos estaban saltando y saltando. Rain poured. Mapache sonrió. Thunder roared. Mapache hummed. Lightning flashed. And the smell of carrot stew filled Conejo's home. Was Mapache scared? What does he look like, friends? Does he still look scared? No. He's happy and cozy in Rabbit's home. Soon, a knock sounded over the thunder. 3 voices cried from the rain and the darkness. Being alone on a night like tonight is scary. Hey friends, look at the pictures. Can you guess what is going to happen or what is happening? Who are those coming into the picture? Let's see if you're right. Conejo abrió la puerta. Rabbit opened the door. 2, zarigüeya, codorniz, marmota. Ahí estaban todos mojados en la lluvia. Rabbit opened the door to possum, quail, and woodchuck. And 10 little rabbits hopped and bopped. Raccoon and Rabbit looked at each other and grinned. ¡Ay, qué buena suerte! What good luck, they said. Ven, entra! Come right in. There's always room for all our friends. Yay! They survived the storm together! Bravo! Good job, friends! Okay, amigos, ahora tenemos one more song. We have one more song to sing, and it's to the tune of the Muffin Man. And you need your rain stick. And it goes like this. First sing slow, flip around, listen to the rain stick sound. Rápido y sacúdelo, it's a rain stick sound. Ready? Get your rain stick ready. First sing slow, flip around, listen to the rain stick sound. Rápido y sacúdelo, it's a rain stick sound. Yay! I hope you guys have so much fun this week exploring different things different sounds you can do with your rain stick. And if you haven't checked out the other story times of March, you should, because it's all about music. I hope you guys have an awesome day. And now it is time to sing our goodbye song. And it is to the tune of Jingle Bells. And it's the 5 things we do with our special humans to help our brains grow to be ready for reading and learning. Okay, first in English and then in Spanish. Read and write, sing and play. Talk with me all day. These are the 5 things we do. My brain will grow this way. Now in Spanish. Escribir y cantar, jugar y hablar. También con leer me ayudan a aprender. Yay! I'll see you guys next time.